Apex Credit Fix features, strengths, weaknesses. Apex Credit Fix positions itself as a modern, technology-driven credit repair solution, primarily targeting consumers with inaccurate, unfair, or unverifiable negative items on their credit reports. Key features include a user-friendly online portal, credit score tracking, personalized dispute letters, and a mobile app for on-the-go monitoring. They leverage AI-powered dispute tactics, customizing approaches based on the specific creditor and negative item being challenged, which is a significant differentiator. Apex Credit Fix is ideally suited for individuals who are comfortable with technology, prefer a self-service approach with guided assistance, and have a clear understanding of the negative items impacting their credit. The platform is particularly useful for those seeking to address common credit errors like late payments, collections, charge-offs, and bankruptcies. A major strength lies in its data-driven dispute process. The AI adaptation increases the likelihood of successful removals compared to generic dispute templates. Additionally, the transparent pricing structure, with tiered options based on the number of items disputed, is commendable. They also offer a money-back guarantee, which reduces risk for new customers. However, Apex Credit Fix does have weaknesses. Their reliance on technology might alienate users who prefer direct human interaction or require extensive hand-holding during the process. The AI-driven dispute process, while generally effective, may not be as nuanced as a seasoned credit repair specialist's strategic approach in complex cases involving identity theft or significant legal issues. Furthermore, while the platform offers educational resources, it may not provide the same level of comprehensive financial literacy education as some competitors. The lack of direct phone support for all tiers is another drawback. Some users may find the tiered pricing confusing and struggle to determine the most appropriate plan for their needs. Finally, it's crucial to remember that no credit repair service can legally remove accurate negative information. Apex Credit Fix is only effective in addressing errors and unverifiable items. In conclusion, Apex Credit Fix is a viable option for tech-savvy individuals seeking an efficient and data-driven approach to credit repair, especially those dealing with standard negative items. However, those needing extensive personal guidance or facing complex credit situations might benefit more from a traditional credit repair agency with dedicated case managers. Remember to carefully assess your individual needs and compare multiple services before making a decision. Always be wary of companies making unrealistic promises of instant credit score improvements.